This video is only for educational purpose. Today I am going to show how to transfer file from Mac machine to Ubuntu by using Filezilla app. For that we need a Ubuntu IP address, username and password of the Ubuntu. Once you got this information, first you have to enable SSH in Ubuntu. Once you enabled SSH in Ubuntu, you open a Filezilla app in a Mac machine, connect and transfer. Let's see, we'll begin. So first what I'm doing, I'm opening my Microsoft RDP to take Ubuntu machine as a RDP. So first I'm going here, adding the PC. Add, and I'm connecting that PC. So it asks for the username and password. I'm entering my username and password. Just connect. Once you connect, we are into Ubuntu. So here, the two commands we have to execute. Those two commands I have put it in here. The apt-get open SSH server and enable that SSH. Already I have done these commands in my machine. So directly I'm going to open the Filezilla app and transferring files. So this is the Ubuntu machine I'm keeping aside. I'm closing this window. Now I'm opening my Filezilla app. Once the Filezilla app is open, this is how console will look like. So here you have to enter the IP address of the machine and the username and password, and the port number you have to mention 22. Then quick connect. Before connecting that, you have to understand the left hand side what it's showing. This is your machine, this is your Mac machine. Like what are the information is there on your Mac machine, you are able to see that. So once it's connected, on the right hand side you are able to get the right hand side you are able to see the Ubuntu machine. So here what I'm doing, I'm opening downloads folder for understanding purpose. So here also I am opening downloads folder. Now I am transferring some of the files from here to there. So just select what are the files you require, right click on that and upload. Now the files you are able to see here, it's uploaded to your Ubuntu machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 files I have uploaded from my my Mac machine to Ubuntu. One more 2 files I'll upload for better understanding purpose. I'll do little bit minimize. I'm selecting these files and upload. See, you're able to see that files. This is how we'll upload the files. Thank you.